Are you now setting up buyer consultation? Well, congratulations. In this video, I'm going to share with you what I've learned after doing a few this month, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Did you know buyer consultation is a great way to know a new client or a repeat client? So here are my top 5 recommendations. Let's get started. Number 1, you want to thank them right when you get started and share with them who you are and who your team is. You can share with them, the number of total years of experience you all combined have. So as a new real estate agent, I only have like a year and few months, but as a combined team, we have over 47 years of experience, which sounds better, right? Number 2, you're gonna discuss why buying right now is a great time. Every buyer right now has hesitation. They're scared that the house prices are going to go up, but you want to reassure them and tell them the number 1 tip in this spot is mortgage rates are extremely low still, which gives them more purchasing power. So keep that in mind as you're explaining why it's a good time to buy. You might want a buyer's guide like the one with Keeping Current Matters. I kind of go through that to reassure them why right now it's a great time to buy. And number 3, you want to discuss the home buying process. This is my favorite part. So you can share with them a checklist and give them a checklist, kind of tell them, hey, they can check off each thing that they do as they go through the home buying process. Or in the KCM Buyer's Guide, there is a visual little buyer guide process journey. And it's great because, it kind of tells them where they're at in the process. Makes sense? And also talk about how you are an expert and not just an average agent. If you've seen my video in the past, I talked about being certified as an expert, and when you do this, it just shares with them how you are going to perform on a high level, right? So that goes on to getting your certified home buyer advisor certificate. I just went through this program in Texas a couple weeks ago, and I'm telling you, the program's phenomenal. If you want more information on how to get certified home buyer advisor, let me know. I'll give you an email, shoot you the link, and the next bootcamp that's coming. And the 4th thing that you want to do is you want to get to know what your buyer's goals are, what their wants are, and then lastly, what their financing is going to be. Because 9 out of 10 times I talk to buyers, they don't have really a plan of execution for their financing, and a lot of them come to find out they don't even get pre-approved. So you kind of have to guide them toward that direction, right? So once you get to know what they want, their needs, and their goals and their financing, then the last step number 5, is to set up another appointment. Whether that other appointment is with your preferred lender or also an appointment to follow up. You always want to follow up with another appointment. So those are the 5 top tips I have for you for buyer consultation. I hope this helps you out. If you like what I shared in this video, please share this video to another new agent or another agent that just needs a refreshing. And please help me by liking this video. It helps the algorithm. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to this video, this channel, and you will get all the tips for real estate and my journey. I'm so excited for 2022 to come. I hope you're ready for 22 to come. I'm going to have some fresh new content for 2022, so please subscribe. It's all great knowing you guys, and thank you for following my journey, all my friends and family, and the subscribers. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.